Hey y'all, welcome back to another weekly reset video where I hope that this encourages you to get your week off on the right foot, get set up for this week, maybe just get some things done around your house. We can get some stuff done together. So in today's video, I have a grocery haul. We're actually getting ready for our Father's Day cookout. I'm setting up a hot dog bar and of course a little bit of decorating in here as well. So I hope you guys will stick around and I hope you enjoy this video. Thought I would share a quick little grocery haul in today's video. Like I said, it's pretty small and we're eating pretty healthy these days, so it's not a whole lot of new things. It's just your good old fashioned, a lot of produce and stuff like that. But there's a couple things. So like I said, lots of produce, lots of zucchini, some of which look pretty good, some of which look like they're struggling, but that's okay. I'm going to cook most of these tonight. We're going to grill those up. I got 2 heads of lettuce back here for salads and things like that. Onions, a frozen bag of these mixed vegetables. That's actually going to be for a recipe. You guys have already seen that recipe, so I will link it down below. It's for a dump and go pot pie dish, so I'll have that below if you want to see it. And then also these peaches are for another dump and go recipe in that same video as well, so I'll have that link below for y'all. And then over here, just some juices for the kids, the Honest Kids, very good lemonade, and then the grape Kool-Aid, also half a gallon of milk. We're not using that much milk these days, but I do need that for a couple recipes. This did not come with this grocery haul, but I did order this big thing of Himalayan pink salt on Amazon. I needed to replenish mine. So yes, I got that from Amazon for a really good price. All right, and then coming over here, I just got 2 of these sparkling ice in the black raspberry. I got a cream of chicken and herbs. That's again for a recipe, of course. I got some of the Smucker's natural chunky peanut butter. We have been loving this. It is super delicious. We got some Rayo's homemade pizza sauce and the tortillas and mozzarella cheese. This all goes together. The kids love to make little pizzas on tortillas for lunches during the summer, so I went ahead and got them some of that. The rotini back there, that was for that pot pie pasta that I was talking about. Got some hot dog buns. I'm going to do some hot dogs for the kids one night when we're eating something that they really, don't eat. Got some Rotel and got 1 little packet of rice. This is also really good if you're, eating something different than your kids. You can just buy 1 or 2 of these and cook them some rice to go along with whatever you're having if you want to do that. I got 3 little packs of chicken. I'm just going to keep them all in the little plastic bags they come in. Chicken, and then this is 3 packs of flat iron steak that I'm going to make a recipe with as well. That's also in that dump and go video, just in case you missed that. Dump and go video as well. This yellow cake mix. And then I got some taco shells for the kids. Also, we have been loving flavored coffee. And we're actually no longer drinking any sort of creamer. So the flavored coffee is where it's at if you're not going to do that. They have no sugar, nothing added to them. The coffee beans are flavored with oils before they kind of dry them out and all that stuff. So it's not sweet at all, but it's really good. It smells so good. The caramel pecan, and there's a couple other from Food Line that I like. I'll show y'all when and if I buy those again, which I'm sure I will. And then also I needed some more hand soap refills. I need to refill that here in just a minute. And then I've been seeing the Gain, the Power Blast. It's like the Dawn Power Wash, dish spray. And I really want to try it because I love, of course, all the Gain scents. And I just bought the refill. Surely that will fit with the Dawn one. And it was like $1 cheaper. So hopefully that'll fit. But yeah, here's my simple little grocery haul and pretty much everything we'll need for the week. We do have some stuff here, so this will get us by. And the one thing I tried to go back and add was avocado oil to my grocery pickup order. it never lets me go back and add things. It's the weirdest thing ever when you go back and add. But anyway, I just ran in the store and grabbed that. I need to fill my little thing over here up as well. So today we're celebrating Father's Day. Father's Day is tomorrow, but we're going to do everything today for Darren and my dad, my stepdad Jason. So he decided to do like a hot dog bar. So we're gonna grill some hot dogs, and we gotta get all the fixings ready. I'm about to make some chili. I gotta cut an onion, and we bought a good bit of other stuff to make like a fun little hot dog bar. So I thought I'd bring y'all along on this little reset video. Are you ready to be celebrated?
Cheers to all the fathers.
Now I'm just going to get started on that hot dog chili, and I will type out my hot dog chili recipe down below. But honestly, every time I make it, I'm just putting things in there that I think go together. I mean, I do have sort of a base, of course, but then I'm just adding things, tasting it, adding a few more things. That's kind of how I make my hot dog chili. But like I said, I will link that base recipe down below if you want to give it a try. But I just like to kind of brown up my ground beef, and I like to kind of chop it pretty fine for hot dog chili. Add lots of garlic powder, of course an onion, of course chili powder. I go back and add even more chili powder and garlic powder at the end. Ketchup, a little bit of mustard. I did add a small little can of tomato sauce as well to kind of thicken it up. A little bit of water to thin it out. Add the tiniest bit of sugar just to kind of balance out all that tomato sauce. And then salt, pepper. Add a little bit of liquid smoke, a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce, and it comes out delicious. So like I said, just kind of a little concoction, but I love when I'm able to just cook like this. Just add in different things. That's when it seems to always come together and make for something really good. So this morning, as Darren and I were having our coffee on the back porch, we were planning on doing hibachi, like our homemade hibachi out on the Blackstone for Father's Day. But then we got to talking, and he was like, you know what, a hot dog sounds really good. So we thought, why not do like a hot dog bar? And we added all sorts of toppings that we don't usually add when we're just serving up hot dogs. So you see me, I shredded up some sharp cheddar cheese. We also had some queso, some jalapenos, bacon bits, of course our onion. My mom brought some coleslaw. My stepdad actually made that. And then here's our spread, of course, plenty of hot dogs. There's that chili and all of our toppings, and we just had some chips to go along with it, and it was actually delicious. Everybody said they enjoyed it, and it hit the spot.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
I don't know if you guys could tell, and I don't know if I've told y'all this before. I'm pretty sure that I have, but I love to use my pine sol as a counter cleaner. I think it just works so well. It cleans granite, and I hope you can tell by the video, it really does make my countertops shine so well. I've been doing this forever, so I just put a little bit of pine sol in an old spray bottle, mix it with water, and of course that lasts forever. If you buy pine sol already, you only need a little bit, and it just works so well. So if you've never tried that, give it a try. And I personally just love how pine sol smells. I know that's kind of, you know, a controversial thing. Either you love it or you hate it, but I think it smells so clean and fresh, so I really love to use that as my counter spray. Also, it disinfects, so that's another bonus. And then I wasn't going to clean my stovetop today. Normally I just spot clean it, but I decided to go ahead and take it all apart, and then I just wiped down the inside with some of that dish spray, which, by the way, I love that Gain, and it does fit, of course, with the Dawn, you know, dish spray and nozzle. So if you have Dawn and you want to try the Gain, you don't have to buy the whole thing, just get a refill. And yeah, I really like it. I just clean my stove with some soapy water and then go back and wipe it all down with a clean kitchen towel.
Have me running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. Have me running around, dressed in a gown, barefoot.
So now we're going to do some decorating. I have some stuff I want to put over here in this area. Y'all might remember I had a bookshelf right here. I moved that actually up to McKenna's room, but obviously there needs to be something here. So Darren put me a little nail up here. I think I want to hang a clock. That clock's sitting over there because, as y'all can see, I have this on this side. So I wanted something to kind of balance that out. So I think that clock is going to look good there. And then I'll show you what else I think I'm going to do over here. Alright, so this is how it ended up looking. I had to play around with it a little bit. I would really like a different chair here, something a little bit taller, but for now I'm just working with what I have. But anyway, I wanted to keep this lamp here on the side, and of course you saw we hung that clock there. So I just put a little pillow in the chair, and then over here I thought I needed a taller lamp, so I went upstairs and I got that one. And then that also gave me a little bit more room to put our picture down here. I was going to put a candle on top of this table, but I'm not for now. If I want to set one here, I have room to do that. And then below, I actually really like how this looks, just to kind of hide the cords and that vent under there a little bit better. I added this little basket, and I put just like a coffee table book inside there with one of these little corbels, and then just some wooden bead garland in there. So overall, I think it's cute. I love to change things up. So instead of the little bookshelves, now we just have a cozy little corner over here. And then also, I know y'all have already seen this, but so this wouldn't feel so crowded since I have all this going on. I just moved my lanterns. They were on this side. I just scooted them over there. So here is kind of this whole little area now, our fireplace, and then this new little area over here. And I thought I wouldn't want to add curtains or anything to these windows, but I think I figured out what I want to do, and I think it'll soften this area a lot. And we love to open these blinds and kind of see out, especially when we're, you know, hanging out outside on the back porch here. We always are pulling these up, and that way you can see like the party lights out there from inside, and it's just, you know, super fun at night. So I think I'm gonna get some Roman, like the bamboo style shades that pull up easier, and then hang some curtains. I think that will look really good in here. But anyway, you'll have to let me know what you think. There's another little view over here, and then that side. It's kind of messy, but anyway, real life. All right, today is the day. All these bags are stuffed clothes I cleaned out of my closet. The girls, they've been in the back of my car for like months, in the garage where I needed to use my trunk, in the back of my car again, in the garage. So they're going to Goodwill. Along with this table. This was the table that was in our house when we got it. And then all of this stuff is going as well, which I gotta go through this. Lots of Ray Dunn going to Goodwill. Won't allow that anymore. This little thing though, I don't think I can use that. Camper light, pictures, signs, frame, lots of shoes in here, and random stuff that literally I cleaned out when we moved last year, and it's been in the garage. So let's go to Goodwill.
So my apologies for this video ending kind of abruptly here, but we took everything to Goodwill. The first Goodwill we went to yesterday was not taking anything. They said they were so full, so we had to go to another one. And then we did end up going back to my parents yesterday, and we stayed over there until late yesterday evening. So I at least wanted to go ahead and get this video up because I really want to start posting these on Mondays. But anyway, I hope you guys got something done along with me, or at least just enjoyed the video. I hope y'all had a great weekend, and I will see y'all again real soon this week for another one. Bye y'all.